Remember Apple fly come to Jamaica, come make Rosalie Carrigan Obia man for get pregnant. Remember Apple could breed, you know? This is what the Obia baby do to your relationship. The man never want a baby Apple. Apple a you go breed, no care all the man out there breed, girl, and him know who him want breed. And you run go clear your tube. Me think Happy go lucky she name. Yeah. Remember the argument bust out. Rosalie carry enough for uno go Obia. Cubas is a rubbish pan. And the argument done. He's a garbage pan. He's a wicked woman. Cute boss, come here. Come and listen and say, oh, you're getting your feelings and you look very dirty and sloppy. Just for the record. You look very dirty and sloppy. I know you live in the ghetto and I know those are your comfort clothes. But today just look like you never be able to put on your comfort clothes. Me not cussing as me saying, but me just eat girl like uno when on attack. You see what is there about Apple to defend? I keep asking you. You cannot say, because let me say this. Apple is a broken individual, and what you're doing, you're nurturing her brokenness. That's all Apple need. Somebody to defend her and not telling her the truth. And that is you. That is you. Apple will never stop minding, man, because she no want die alone. Just like you, cute boss. Cute boss, you know the reason why you come out and talk, say you're old. It's true you're talking about your old, you know? Because people tell you. People tell you about your belly button. You know? People tell you, and I'm going to say this to you. You see, I could not defend Apple. Not your own nice Apple be. She have a motive for being nice. And that is the thing about it. She has a motive for being nice. So, when you're not agreeing or in alignment with Apple, she doesn't have to be nice to you. So, it's the nice is willing. Alright, moving right along. First and foremost, as a female, you have to know what kind of man to take. As a female, you know what kind of man for take. You see, Apple man now displayed this just now, you know. Apple man now tell Apple long before we know him, you know. You understand me? That he needs to go. Apple keep buying the man, you know. And no, come on the line. The man want go. Jesus Christ. Sometimes you deal with some boy and them want this to end. And me not in the light feel like they must stifle. Let go. Let them go. Tiki talking to me with Tiki there. Let them go. Oh, Tiki want apply your friend Tiki, but me I tell her the truth. Me know you have to defend her in a Tiki. And I cannot blame you. Not call where you do, me can't blame you. You understand? Because you have a reason for defending. But you see, Apple, and it's not only Apple, but every other girl, look on your life and look on your image and look on the man them where your body call for lie. Apple man too nice for stick with she alone. After Apple now ride in a chariot. Apple not riding in chariot. And it's true. From you look at the guy, you see that the guy is being taken care of. He not have to take care of himself, you know. And you notice the hurtful part of it. And this is what I talk about on my program on a regular. When a woman spend her bank account for get a man up to her standard, and the man walk out on her, you don't hate the man because the man want to leave. You hate the man because he have no gratitude and he leave within a time when you never ready for him to leave. So you see the unfair game go both ways in a relationship. Who ask you to take care of that man so fabulously? We can look upon you and look upon him and say, oh my God, improper fraction. Improper fraction. You take care of the man more than how you take care of yourself, Apple. What's wrong with you? So when cute boss get up and attack, what cute boss is doing is fostering you in your own brokenness because that's where you feel comfortable. So how you know that, Shebe? No, Tiki, I know how me know that. Tiki, I know how me know that. Tiki, you would not see it, you know, because Apple is your friend and I in agreement with you to defend your friend by any means necessary. Defend her. So you are going to turn a blind eye to the truth. You understand me? I could never have a friend. Say nurse or no, I'm me a friend. And nurse or take fair money and mine a boy. Me first I come out, come tell her. Me first I come out and when the internet attack, me I go say, no, I told her that. She can't say a lie, it's true, because others see it. So if other people are see it, why should it be a lie? Apple walk and buy friend and man like dog. If you want to leave, go ahead, walk out the door. He might tell Apple say one monkey don't stop no show. No see all of that, you know? Them said there is nothing like a woman's corn. And it's hot when a man take a woman's corn and use it upon them. Yeah. Yeah. The boy ain't rude. Stop that. The guy isn't rude. He might express himself. Let me say this. Take it what you say. Let me say this. The man isn't rude. You see, sometimes, I tell you something. Man, sometimes man not rude, you know. Sometimes when you and a man have a relationship, you say, oh, him talk to you and you're comforted with it. He's going to use it in public when he's frustrated. You cannot be upset because that's how he treats you at home. No, Sister Winnie, it's true. You see me, before me make Uno work out a situation with me, I take accountability quick. So at the end of the day, me now go there so I say, hey people, and me not do nothing. Them supposed to class me. Me supposed to get this, you know. I deserve this. What we as human beings don't understand, when the thing gone through the door, we keep trying to save it by coming on social media, degrading ourselves and degrading the individual. You didn't know so that is a part of saving? That is a part of trying to save the relationship, because the more you put out there about the individual is the more you feel like you and him will have a chance of coming back. How far can you bring him down in order for him to tell you, shh, not say nothing. Cute boss, you're wicked to woman. You wicked to woman. And you say, oh, you wicked, that's why you don't like your son, because of you come on the, you know, say you could have a batty man son and nobody no. You come on the internet and you state the boy's sexuality without his consent. If you can do your picnic that, we don't expect you to care about Apple, because you never care about your son, cute boss. And kill you dead. You tell yourself, say you talk about film business before nobody take it tell you. But the moment you talk about it, people are take it, tell you what you talk about. And oh, you stay. You never know. Anybody will listen to you and hear you talk about your front. Cubas, me can tell you you're old poco. You're old plaka. You never know. Yeah. You say true, Cubas here say Apple and free. That is why you defend Apple. So Cute Boss, you're wicked. Cute Boss, me can't hide it, you know. It's when everybody else can play hypocrite and tell you how much, you know, you're nice and true girl. Me can't hide it, because it's in order to help Apple, you have to tell Apple the truth. Nobody never knows that Apple is a dirty drunk crow. Number one, Apple is very pretentious. Apple talk like she prim and proper. You hear? And Apple a walk up one go beat girl for man. Come on, man. Apple a drunk crow. Cute Boss want more than a lion. Cute Boss want Zandrama storage money. You never know. Cute Boss want Zandrama storage money where Apple should have give her. Cute Boss defend Chrissy TV, and Cute Boss here say Able Boss did they with the girl with they with Keep Rich. What's your name again? Kizzy. Eh? But they tell you now a long time say Kizzy and Able there. Who remember that? Who remember the day when Kizzy, when Able Boss did get some money from somebody for do something, and a Kizzy account it did go to, and I come to you and tell you say Able Boss and Kizzy there. Who never remember? Because I lie me a tell pan people. We never remember. That is why Able Boss come out so strong with the soda in mouth, kinda like him a washing his mouth. When I tell you, say, I peer catch yourself on the app. Yeah, me tell you now. I told you guys this. But no, when I walk and make them people I capture on the energy. Auntie, what be a story go with Apple? I don't know about Apple and Dotty. Ask Sticky. Apple and Dotty from morning. Remember Apple he come to Jamaica. Come here. Come here. So come here. Who remember one time? Apple, come here. Things not go good for you, you know. You know why things not go good for you? You're and dirty. Who remember one time my talk? When me across Rosalie, I say, Rosalie, remember you're Obia woman? Remember you carry apple for get pregnant. Jesus have mercy. Wanna not remember, you know? No, Tiki gonna be biased. Tiki gonna be biased. Me and Tiki can't reason upon the Apple situation. Tiki is going to be biased. Apple there with a man long time. Tiki not just gone up a foreign. I wonder if Tiki knows say Apple man not feel him too. So Tiki me and Nago can't talk. You understand me? Because guess what? I'm not here to convince you out of your friendship. Cause you Nago can't tell me say no, you not understand until look here. Cause me gonna tell you say Tiki, you not understand because me don't want to know all the in-house argument going on. Me just want to know why Apple never let go the man long time. Me don't want to know the in-house argument. That is not my concern. I don't want to know how the arguments start. You see, the funny part about life is this. A lot of us want to know how the arguments start. Infidelity are going to the house long time. Apple pay for the man. Apple buy infidelity. So you see, me now can't understand what people are saying, honestly. Because we as women, we do it over and over. And because we know so we do it over and over, we can identify it when we see a lifestyle in another woman. So we can tell them title story. You understand me? No, me I speak fear. No, Tiki, me hear you talk about Apple. And you weren't fair. Because if Apple was my friend, maybe Apple would have to drop my friendship. I keep my friendship because I would say, baby girl, come here. Me no want nothing from you, but what you do is foolishness. The man no want you. Me not sit down with no friend and talk about no baby father when I want them. Your man don't want you. Who you talk about? The boy we breed you when I want you? You always are gonna feel that from me. Oftentimes I talk this and I say, Apple walk on mind, man. Apple buy love. Apple buy fantasy, fairy tales, and passion. Apple buy pleasure. And that is just the truth. That's why you don't envy people for what them have because you don't know them attitude with what them have. Me say cute boss is a bitch. Cute boss is a slut. Cute boss are the, me say cute boss are the girl with sit down here so. With a man them and know so she has sex a boy over the enemy side and take everything from the man them care over the enemy side. That's cute boss. That is cute boss. That is cute boss for real. A back and belly rat, me I tell you the truth. You see if cute boss as a female it's gonna say Apple come here. Alright, mama tell you what happened to him. Mr. Happy Go Lucky. What's your name? Happy Feet, Happy Go Lucky. The lady will stand up and bend up like when they mean I'm a play. Can I know she watch the whole of my play and take my walk, you know? You know? And the bag. Who remember me and the bag? Who remember me and the bag on stage? I'm a stand up. The lady take it. But nevertheless, moving right along. Mr. Happy Go Lucky. You say Zandrama did that video. And this is the thing that I don't like. Zandrama do a video and Happy Go Lucky says, Zandrama, me not like you go overboard. If your friend say to you, say you go overboard. Why you come out and pick out one word out of what your friends say? You know, the whole statement enough for an intelligent specimen. One word. Thank you, Bashment Granny. You understand me? One word, you know what the lady say. And yes, no, if you're going to talk about me, no, what you did, sick stomach. So we have to speak to you in a sick stomach language. True or false? And that much you know like. You see the people in Panda app, it best you tell them lies than tell them the truth. Happy regardless your name, I think Happy Go Lucky. Remember Apple fly come to Jamaica, come make Rosalie Carriger Obia man for get pregnant. Remember Apple could breed, you know. This is what the Obia baby do to your relationship. The man never want a baby Apple. Apple are you go breed, no care all the man out there breed, girl. Him know who him want breed. And you run go clear your tube. Me think Happy Go Lucky she name. Yeah. Remember the argument bust out. Rosalie carry enough for uno go over your man, Mr. Sayers. And she have one out of St. Thomas. I must say, oh, there, so, what she name this here? Nessa Bling. And that's why I could sit and talk. Because you come down for clear tube, for breathe, for why when I want you. Apple, you do the most. You do the most, Apple. You can't breathe a boy. You forgot take me when time me a mule. Because first thing first, me I tell him, say, me not spoil my shape and me not wear stripe. Because me no beer buckle and me no Twickenham Park. Oh, me no wear stripe. So you're not going to make my skin stretch and give me line. The only place where me control stripe up on my lip. And you know why and you know what give me it. Hey, you don't do that. You don't do that. Mark, you know, you have some boy out there will turn you on, you know. And we as females, we know so that boy ain't no good. And we not go far. If me look him and him give me a wando, that's it, my glad. And happily good at a fight over the boy and the boy cocky good and not even good at that art. And no fun to fight over some worthless hood, you know. No fun to fight over some one puppy. Can you imagine a look good boy like that come before you? You're not ready for come yet because the sex nice. And you hear say him can't go again till a morning, till tomorrow evening. Eh? But Tiki said people been saying, Tiki, anything where people say about Apple are true, you just a know Apple and that me want to tell you. You just a know Apple and Apple not let in our business. She not let in our business. So all una talk, una really don't know. Apple is a big careless girl for real. Apple is a big careless woman. Apple are the only girl me say put on a function and invite. I'll ticky them which by a straight man if ticky them get this. God believe me, I not rate that. Apple are not area than. Apple is not area than in a foreign. If she was area than she'd have make them broke up junior the boy bottom. She'd have make them broke up junior bottom. Yeah, she'd have make them crick him Enos. She's no Dan. The man is not your type, Apple. And nobody now says, I buy body. You walk and buy things. You walk and buy things, Apple. It's true. It's true. Your man nice, you see? The boy nice like your son. Apple, me see the boy and me see you and me say, you know, say Apple son this. Me nah lie. You are Apple and him an apple cider vinegar. Him cut fat. Him cut fat. The boy neaty. The boy nice. Pay attention, Apple. No, it's true. You're careless, Apple. And you see you're not careless, you know. You're not all careless. Cute boss. Cute boss remind me of dog shit with footprint tonight. You know, like somebody I walk and now look. Yeah. Cute boss remind me of. It bad enough where Apple do and Apple mistake. It bad enough. Alright. Apple a woman like the whole away. And the whole away take man out of the league. And the whole away walk on mine, man. You understand me? Just saying, just putting that out there. You get what I say? But what Cute Boss did is more evil than what Junior could have ever do to Apple or Apple could have ever do to herself. You don't realize that what Cute Boss did is that Cute Boss is encouraging Apple in her brokenness, and it cannot work. You know, say Apple to me was a rejected child. It's only a rejected baby behave so. No, Tiki, you can't tell me say a nonsense. What is nonsense is the fact that you don't know Apple and you're defending Apple. What is nonsense, Tiki, is the fact that when you see the things they mean. I remember Apple mind you too in a Tiki. If Apple cannot know you and mind you, it simply means Apple have a problem. She's not kind. Apple walk along people who she can govern and control. You never know. You never know, Tiki. It's just the truth. So you see why me you could never sit down and reason upon the app? Because you ain't gonna be fair things say, me I be little the child. No, I'm not. That is why I say you have all reason to defend Apple. And I can't blame you for that. Me give you way. Defend Apple. Defend Apple. Yeah. Defend her. But you know, after defending Apple, all people are going to see a Tiki. Just so you know. Just so you know. You see, when you are ready to class Apple or tell Apple something close to the truth, that's when the internet is going to turn against you. You know why? Because you stood out here defending Apple in her brokenness. Just like you, boss. Then Shebby, you wouldn't defend your friend. And for such Tiki, didn't I say that? I said it to you. Sister, you not understand what I say? I said it to you, Tiki. I said yes. I did say yes. Tiki, me say me can't blame me for defending Apple because me see her defend Apple. Me can't blame me. I did say yes. Defend your friend. No, it's true. I did say it. So it's not like me I tell you say don't defend her. Don't defend her. No, me not say so. Tiki, you have a reason for defending her. And that me I tell you, you have to make your reason be plausible. Because people are going to draw a reference as to the help where Apple give you. Tiki, remember what you defend somebody with RT boss against? And RT boss say, all right, send me your cash app or your Zelle, one of them. And you say, yeah, man, me ready. You understand me? I say, Tiki, it blow up in a pretty damn face too. Me can't blame you for defending Apple, you know. And if you want to come out tomorrow, man, and class me for Apple, I understand. I say, no, man, in my class, me. I'm supposed to class me, I'm friend. So when you say, if you're not supposed to defend you, no, RT pay me for war, a different thing that, no. RT boss boldly pay you to war. That's the difference, my friend Tiki. RT boss boldly pay you to fight. Right? Alright now. So when RT boss boldly pay you to fight, you see with Apple she ain't gonna boldly pay you. And you understand that. So you defend Apple because if you want a 20 or 10 or a 5 or 50 or 100, you can call upon Apple and that is good. You want to say that's your occupation? Yeah. No, Tiki, you not understand what me I say. You not understand what me I say, my baby. And that's why I never take you up on the program because me know exactly say this I come with. You understand me? Me know say this, but it not gonna change my narrative say Apple is a slut. It not gonna change my narrative say Apple is a dog shit of a big man. It not gonna change the fact. Friend of this Apple and man of this Apple, she can't get it no better. What does that say? What does that say? Can't get no better. It's true. But back to the matter of and cute boss. Cute boss just wants something out of Apple. And this is what I'm saying. Apple avail herself for people to use her. Apple not use nobody. Apple avail herself for people to use her. May I tell you the truth? Sometimes we fling ourselves in some position for people to use it. And that is why cute boss are user, cute boss are prey upon her now. Yeah, it's true. But you see me always go for the people that we're low, we're dead down there. So, no cute boss. No cute boss. Nadine, thank you, my baby. No cute boss. Cute boss is a rubbish pan. And the argument done. He's a garbage pan. He's a wicked woman. He's a wicked woman, cute boss. Me not ask you. Cute, of course, she's down there more than Apple. That is why she has friend up Apple and a nice up Apple. Cause Ivan, you come up and talk. So one time I defend Apple and the next morning, I see $1,000 in my account. That cute boss, see. That cute boss here. Cute boss now. Thank you very much, my baby. Thank you so very much. Your name so fine in a stush writing. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Sharon bless one. No, it's true. Una too evil. That's why I say people like Una me no want friend from. Me no want friend from. Woman fi be wise. Woman fi be wise. Let me tell you something. We as women who work and tech, man, we not put no benchmark power crutches. No benchmark power crutches. None. Cute boss have no hole, you know. Cute boss man, them supposed to stand up a bar door, wait for bar for open, you think a bank line. And them man, them means the cute boss with. Nobody no want cute boss. So number one, I'm out for a cigarette ashtray. It's true. And it's just the truth. That cute boss lady is degrading both to her friends, family, and herself. Yeah, that lady is degrading. She is a hypocrite. A Shebite and a Shebite. Yeah, it's true. When me hear she attack, because you see if me and Apple a did friend, me just say Apple, me I tell you the truth. It now go sit well with you. I mean, I know how we're gonna move forward from this. But let me say this to you. See, like how the internet know about your relationship now, you're an asshole. This is what you're causing yourself. The man never bring this by you. The man never put this by you because a smarty man you buy away. You buy the boy. You buy heartache and sorrow. Yeah, you buy heartache and sorrow. Me not ask you, and a lot of females do it. And we end up cursing the man. But did the man really want this? Answer the question. Or is it that you who want the man to want this? Are you? The man never wanted. Remember, you came to Jamaica and Rosalie carry you go make Obi man give you island violent water for drink. And so comes you have a baby. No, the man know exactly why. Maybe the boy have a praying grandmother. I always tell people this, dolly body. Me always tell people them suck me a dolly body. Me always tell people them suck me a. No, it's true. Apple is evil to herself and Cute Boss is a wicked, and I will not, me not stop saying this. Cute Boss is a wicked, dirty drunkard. Cute Boss, you know, you're the devil asswipe. You know, they came at me 2 times for talking nicely about you. Da da dee, da da do. You remember Cute Boss? Twice they came to me for talking nicely about you. Apple money Cute Boss want a wicked girl. Wicked dirty girl, and I don't like this. I never like this for females. And when I sit up on the up and top about woman power, I don't like it. People, me I come back on little from, no, I can't come back on little from this unless at 9 o'clock me I come back on. Cockafat, at what time now over the atmosphere? I saw 8:30 and a day out a door. Sorry, you trick me. Little most sorry, I put on my car key. I'm sorry, I tune it and go to school. Foreign is tracking me. Foreign attract me so badly. I want to take out the sponge out of my ear, but I can't take it out. I don't know how to. I don't want to knot it up. She be, you know what hurt her the most? Well, on there. She be, you know what hurt her the most? She never thought the internet would have come out for him. No, but the internet have to come out for him. Remember, I buy Apple by friends. People don't really like Apple, you know. Enough time you hear people chat Apple, you know. Enough time you hear people chat Apple, rub-a-dub Apple. Yeah, but you may not care about her. Because I don't know her like that. You get what I say? I don't know her like that for talk to and them something there. So I really don't care. Enough time I hear people rub Apple for free. Sometimes I hear them chat and I think of Apple Play Store or Apple Pay. Yeah.